Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you today an exercise that I find really beneficial. People usually ask me how often I practice, what I do in my practice, and my answer is that I usually don't practice as much as I should. But throughout my playing over the last almost 20 years, I've done an exercise consistently. And this goes back to that video I did about playing Pachelbel's Canon. I think the video is titled, I've been playing the song for 25 years. The way that I practice, when I go downstairs and I wait for my tea, what I do on the piano or the accordion if I don't have time, is I'll practice the connections of chords to one another. And I'll try playing a song in different keys. So I'll show you the exercise for beginners, for intermediate players, and then for advanced players. So what I like to do is I like to take a chord. This is for the beginner player. If you know 4 or 5 chords, your C, G, D, and A. If you know a song or two, here's the exercise for you. So you take your one chord, your C, and if you know how to do your C major, and you press it in both the right and left hand. We go to the 5 chord, which is the one right above it. So going up to my chin, the C is the G. And I play the G. And then I play the C again. That's called a 1-5-1. The 1 chord is my C. My 5 chord is the 5th note up from the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my G. And back to the C. That's the exercise. Now, really the exercise is now taking it to a different key and playing the 1-5-1 of that key. So let's go up to a D. And the exercise is going to look like this. The 1-5-1 on the D. So again, I'll take a variation of the D. There's the D, A, D. I'll go up to the E. E. That's E, B, E. Good. What does this do? This makes me familiar with keys that I'm usually not familiar with. I could choose anywhere on the left hand. Let's choose this, my A flat. I know that it's A flat because it has an indent. A flat. What's the 5 of the A flat? Is it E flat? It is A flat. Right? So I would go. Right? Choose another one. Let's choose the F sharp major. Do this whenever you're down at your accordion or piano. Choose a key, any key. F. Build out the major. Play the 5th 5 of it, which is the one right above it. C. F. That's the beginner exercise. How do we take this a little bit more advanced? Well, we would do the 1-4-5. What does that look like? I'll do a few keys. If we start with C, the 1, the 4 is below it, which is the F. The 5 is above it, the G, back to the 1, which is right. That's what it should sound like. Let's choose another key. Let's choose our E major. Let's choose down at that A flat. Where's the indent? There it is. Let's choose our F sharp major. Oh. Now you'll see me closing my eyes because I'm not familiar how to play in that key. I'm visualizing in my head, okay, I'm on my F sharp, what's +4, right? So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I'm playing from the F sharp to the C sharp. Is that true? No, that's what I tried to do in my head and I got it wrong that first time. F sharp plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. To B flat major. To the C sharp major. That's the intermediate exercise. You should be playing for a while before you could do the 1, 4, 5. What I like to do, and I just did this downstairs while waiting for my tea, is I'll play a song. Pachelbel's Canon is fantastic because it has both majors and minors in a different key. So Pachelbel's Canon is, I usually play it in D major, and here it is. D major, A major, B minor, F sharp minor, G, D, G, A. Right, the last ones are the 1, 4, 5. Let's push it up to E major. A flat minor. Just going through triads. When I get a little bit more comfortable with that, I'll choose another key. Let's do it in F major. Let's choose that. What did we do it in? A flat. This is going to be really hard. So, what is that one going to be? Oh, the E flat. It's not so hard. Doesn't matter what song you're gonna play, as long as you do that mental exercise of transposing up or down. And on the accordion, it's easier to transpose than on the piano because it's all about the relationship of chords. Your motion doesn't change, it's just where you play it. The 1, 4, 5 up here is the same motion as the one down here. Now it's just a mental exercise of, okay, what key am I in? I'm in F. What is the one below F? B flat. The one above that, C, back to F. That's how I practice. That's what I do when I have 2 or 3 minutes. And whatever level you're at, beginner, intermediate, or an advanced player, try and introduce that into your practice and let me know how it goes. Thank you.